Yung iba doon na lista na, and we really try to accomplish them just during the special session. So nakita nyo, naipasa namin on second reading yung Magna Carta of Barangay Health Workers. So yes, wow talaga sa amin yun kay it's a round 2 for the BHWs. Kaya na-approve na namin siya on third and final 19th Congress. Pero on the way to becoming a law, for some reason, binawi ng House noon yung version nila. So we're going for it again with the BHWs all over the Philippines. During the special session, muntik na rin ma-approve yung BICAM version ng bagong AICS law ni Chair Erwin na delay lang kasi hindi pala pumirma yung House counterparts namin. Napasa namin yung special session yung 2 citizenship bills at saka 2 agriculture bills ni Senator Kiko. And then, na-sponsor nung special session yung 2 resolutions supporting yung relief at saka rehabilitation ng General Santos, Sarangani, ibang pang mga lugar sa Mindanao, and then a second resolution commending yung mga first responders dun sa mga kababayan natin na nalindol sa Mindanao, sponsored pareho ni Senator Joel. Pero may mga natira pa sa agenda dapat ng special session na moving forward isusulong pa rin namin at isusulong ko rin. Halimbawa, yung na-detain na anti-hospital detention bill. So, nasa period of amendments pa rin siya. Yung amended anti-OSAE o Online Sexual Abuse and Exploitation of Children bill. Dapat tatapusin na rin yung amendments nung special session, pero may magpo-propose pa daw ng amendments kahit 2 buwan na namin hinihintay yung amendments nila. And of course, the anti-political dynasty bill, tatapusin sana namin, or at least iuusan, no? Tatapusin yung interpellations nung special session, pero may 4 o 5 pa na gusto pang mag-interpellate. So sige lang, sa next session nitong 20th Congress, pagkatapos ng SONA, we will still push those, including other priorities ng mga komite ko on women, on health, at saka on economic affairs. Of course, in just a few months, magtatrabaho kami ulit para sa isang mas transparent at accountable pa na budgets. Beginning from the important reforms sa budget process that we started last year. And of course, kahapon ginawa na yung pre-trial sa impeachment trial, and scheduled July 6 ay magsisimula yung trial proper. And then, ayun, yung SONA nasa 4th Monday of July. So, daghan ang nasa plate, but that's why we're so glad to be back to work. Balak talaga namin bumawi sa ating mga kababayan. Yung mga naantala, yung mga nag-pile up ng mga pending work, gagawin talaga namin in the next days and weeks and months.